Ski that way. Turn, turn, keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. All the way to me, buddy. Keep coming, buddy. Now turn and go on the other side, other side. Come this way, buddy. Get your tips uncrossed. Uncross those tips. You're doing good, buddy. Nice skiing, dude. Come all the way over here. Alright, turn and go towards the magic carpet. Nice job, dude. Now turn the other way and go back towards the other side. Nice job, buddy. Keep on keeping on. You can come downhill a little more if you want to. Alright, let's go back to the magic carpet.